Namaskar, my dear loving children of Standard 4. In our previous classes, we have already completed the first chapter, that was Roman number, and you did very well. And from today, we are going to start the next chapter, that is number system. And in class Standard 3, you have already learned the place value chart, and you have the basic idea about the number system. And you learned up to 4-digit number in class 3, and in this year we are going to learn up to 7-digit number. Okay, so let us start. I have made the place value chart for you, and in your previous class, that means in standard 3, you learned up to this much, up to thousands you learned, and this year we are going to learn lakhs. Okay, so the upper part, okay, this part is called period, and this part is called places. Okay, this part is called places, and you see the periods are ones, thousands, and lakhs, and one period has 3 places, that is ones, tens, 100, and 1000 place has 2 groups, that is 1000 and 10,000. Lakhs has 2 groups, that is lakh and 10 lakh. So let us take a number like 87214. It is a 5-digit number. So how to write this one in place value chart? From the last we have to start. So 4 is here, 1 is here, 2 is here, 7 is here, and 8 is here. Okay, and another thing, you must know that after every period we have to use a comma. So you see in one period how many groups are there? 3 groups are there. So, and 3 groups are there, that means ones, tens, and 100. So you see ones, tens, and 100. So before this 3 digit we have to use a comma. And now you see in 1000 place it is two groups. That is why before 2 number we have to give comma. So here is no number there. That is why not need to give any commas. So let us read the number. So you see in 10,000 place it is 8, and in 1000 place it is 7. So it is 87. And one period should be learned in together. Understand? So 87. So what we can say? 87,000. 87,000. Then after 214. So this number is 87,214. Understand? So how to write this one? You see, $87,000 and 114. Okay. Now let us take another number. Let me take the number from your exercise. Six. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It is a 7-digit number. So let us write this number in place value chart. Okay, now can you say what number it is? You see in lakh place it is 66. In lakh place it is 66. So 66 lakhs. What we can write? 66 lakhs. What we can write? 66 lakhs. Then after in 1000 place it is 66. So again we can say 66,000. Okay. Then after here you see in ones place what is written here? It is 6. You see 600, then 66. So what do we get? We get 66 lakhs, 66,000, and 666. So this number is 66. And another thing, let us use the commas. I told you already, after empty periods there should be a comma. So you see, in one place 3 groups are there, so before 3 digits there will be a comma. Then after in 1000 place it is 2 groups, so before 2 number we have to give a comma. So now you see what number it is, 66 lakh, and you say 66 lakhs 66,666. Okay, in this way you have to solve. Another number you see, 3033333030. So let us write this number in place value chart. So from the last we have to start. Here is 0, here is 3, here is 0, here is 3, then 3, 0, 3. So now again we have to use the commas. So before 3 number there will be a comma, and from the last side you have to start, and then after in 1000 place 2 digits, so before 2 digits there will be a comma. Now you see what do we get? We get 30 lakhs 33,000. Then after 0 in 100 place there is 0, so not need to say 100, then only 30. Again I am saying 30 lakhs 33,000, then after 30, because in 100 place there is 0. I hope you have understood. Now another question, let me write 15,000. 15,682. 682. Okay, so you see, first is 15,000, then after 600, then after 82. You see 82, so 2 is in last place, so here will be 2, and then after 80, so 8 will be here. Now you see 600, so in 100 place what is 6, so here we will write 6. Now we see 15,000. Okay, 15,000 in 1000 place what is the number? 15, so here I will write 15. Okay, in this way we can write. So you see 15,682. So how to write this number? 15682. And another thing, we have to use comma after every period. So you see these 3 make the first period, that is once. So after 3 digit we will use the comma. Understand? So what number we have here? It is 15,682. In this way all the answer will be in this way. So if you go to page number 22, that is exercise 3, then you will find out exercise 3 in first question. It is telling, arrange the following number in the Indian place value chart and then rewrite them with commas at the right places. Okay, so one number, if we take 1560034, 1560034. Okay, so for the first question, okay, number 1 question, you have to make this kind of place value chart. Then after you have to place all the numbers in that chart, and again you have to write that number using commas. বুঝা গেল? এই যে ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চনটা আছে তোমাদের এক্সারসাইজ 3 এর, ওইটার মধ্যে কি করতে হবে? প্রথমে এরকম একটা চার্ট বানাতে হবে। প্রত্যেকটা কোয়েশ্চেনের জন্য একটা চার্ট বানালেই হবে। একটা চার্ট বানিয়ে এখানে একটা নাম্বার, তারপরে আরেকটা বক্সে আরেকটা নাম্বার, এরকম তোমাদের ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চনটা যে আছে ওইটা করতে হবে। চলো আমি তোমাদের একটু ভালোভাবে দেখিয়ে দিই। তো ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চেনের জন্য তোমাদের এই পিরিয়ডস আর প্লেস লিখতে হবে না, এখানে শুধু লিখে নেবে তোমরা নাম্বার, এইভাবে নাম্বার এরকম একটা বক্স বানিয়ে নেবে, চার্ট বানিয়ে নেবে নাম্বার, and in last place there will be another box, আর এই বক্সে কি লিখবে, এই বক্সে লিখবে তোমরা ইউজিং কমাস, ইউজিং কমাস, বুঝা গেল? এরকম বক্স বানিয়ে নেবে তোমরা, যতটা কোয়েশ্চেন যতটা নাম্বার দেওয়া আছে ঠিক ততটাই তোমরা বক্স বানিয়ে নেবে। আমি এখানে তোমাদের শুধুমাত্র দুইটা নাম্বার দেখাচ্ছি। ওকে, so what is the first number? You see 5020. So if you write 5020 here, then you have to write this one in this place below chart. You see 5020. So from the last you have to write 0, then after 2, then after 0, then after 5. Okay, so this number we have already written in place value chart. Now you have to write this number here using the commas. Okay, so we know very well after every period there will be a comma. So you see these 3, 0, 2 and 0, 0, 2 and 0 make one period, so here will be comma. So if you take another question, you see 2, 3, 6, 1 or number G, no, number H, let me write 1, 5, 6, 0, 0, 3, 4, 6, 0, 0, 3, 4. So let me write this one in place value chart. So from the last you have to write 4, 3, 0, 0, 6, 5, 1. Okay, you have to write this number in box 1, 5, 6, 0, 0, 3, 4. Now you have to use the comma. So after ones you see 3 digit is there, so after 3 digit there will be a comma, then after 2 digit, so you see after 2 digit there will be comma. So what is the number of this? This one is, you see 15,60,000, and in 100 place there is 0, so not need to say any 100, only 34. So what number do we get? We get 15,60,000 and 34 only. I hope you have understood. It was for your first question, exercise 3. And second question I have already told, write the number in, write the number name in Indian system. Number 2, write the number in Indian system. For that question no need to write this box. Six, 1, 5, 2, 4, 9, 6. You have to write this number name. So before 3 number there will be a comma, and then before 2 number there will be a comma. So what do we get? 61 lakhs. 61 lakh 52,496. If you place here, then it will be easy. 6, 9, 4, 2, 5, 1, 6. So now you see 61 lakh 52,496. It was all about your Indian place value chart.